So guys, let's see what the room looks like. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Look at the bed. The bed is okay. And this is this. Oh my god, let's see what outside looks like. Wow, looks so nice, beautiful. It's beautiful, guys. This is the floor. This is the floor. This is the table, the reading table with the reading lamp. These are their artwork, which is also nice. So guys, this is their television set, and guys, this is their chairs. The couch is fine. Wow, this is the wardrobe. Looks so nice, and these are their artwork. So nice. And guys, let's look at what their bathroom looks like. Oh, look at the bathroom. Looks nice, beautiful. It's nice. Nice. This is the POP. And guys, this is the toilet. Nice. It's nice. And this here their set. Oh, so nice. So this is their vanity kits. Let's see what they have in there. Their vanity kits. Look at what they have. This is the conditioner, the shampoo, the body lotion, the bath gel, and this is the shower cup, and this. Guys, this is the fridge. Let's see what they have in here. Let's see. Oh, the fridge is empty. This is bullshit. Let's see what they have here. Nothing. See what we have here. The wardrobe. They have just the safe. Nothing much. Then this. Door. And this is up. Look at the AC. Yeah. Then this is the AC. This is what it looks like. And this is their bulbs. It's just so calm and gentle. So guys, that will be all for now. I love this. This is nice. And this is their television. So guys, that will be all for now.